Good morning, everyone. Today we are at the OC Fair. It is opening weekend, and from today on, it runs Wednesdays through Sundays through August 13th. Opens at 11, closes at 11 or 12, depending on the day. Let's head on in. Got to make sure you get a picture here in front of the OC Fair sign. Time it perfectly, and there's nobody in the shot.
Mosey on over to Biggie's Meat Market. We'll keep you cool with our ice-cold drinks and keep you full with our tasty treats. Hungry? We got you covered.
Inside the Huntington Beach building is the Art of Music. It is a free signature exhibit all about music, album covers. You've got to check this out. It looks amazing. Let's head on in. The Art of Music is an experiential exhibit that inspires people of all ages to discover, explore, and appreciate the stories and creators behind album cover art. This is an absolute must-see when you come to the OC Fair. It's at the Huntington Beach building. Check it out. So you can actually change the album covers. Let's see. The Rolling Stones. Rumors. Oh, Hotel California is definitely number one. Let's see. The Beatles. Where are we going to put the Rolling Stones? We got Pink Floyd, David Bowie, Queen. Let's change this one out. So we swapped out this one with the Rolling Stones. Let's put this one back. Comment below, what do you think is the most iconic album cover? Abbey Road? There's actually a record store you can shop also, and they'll hold them and ship them for you. That's very cool. The theme of this year's fair is Happy Together, and they have some amazing merch that says that. I think they're going to sell a lot of those shirts. Let's go in here. Next to the culinary gallery is the visual arts with a bunch of different mediums, and of course there's a bunch of Disney related artwork. Of course we just saw Walt Disney. Would OC be what it is today without Walter Knott or Walt Disney? Here we have Urkel made out of nerds. Ha! I love that. Jeff Lee, King of the Nerds. Steve Urkel depicted in Nerds candy. Literally something I know nothing about is table settings, but I always love looking at those at the fair. They do such a good job. There was a Barbie one and a fair themed one, and each side of each of the halls there are live demonstrations too, so make sure you don't miss the demonstration halls and the exhibit halls. And it is super, super hot today, and I'm sweating to death. All my lotion's coming off my face, so if I look a little parched, that's what it is. We are on my absolute favorite ride at any of the fairs, the Skyride. It is 6 tickets, $1.25 a ticket. It is incredibly hot today. In fact, there's an excessive heat warning. My house, it was 20 degrees cooler than it was, 20 degrees warmer than it was here in Costa Mesa. And it's pretty hot down on the Midway, but up here there's like a nice breeze, and I think it's even cooler. So it's almost 30 degrees. Yeah, it's worth the $15 to cool off. Oh my gosh, there is Arturo, Arturo the churro. And we should know the other friends. There's one missing though. Oh, there's like an ice cream cone missing, and there's the strawberry is missing. We're checking out some of the rides from up here, and I think we're gonna go on that big Ferris wheel, but I see that flying saucer looking ride was at the Ventura County Fair, and this is the same ride company. It's RCS's LA County Fair, Pima County Fair, Arizona State Fair, and they typically have the same rides, but that one was not at LA County this year, but it was in Ventura. And they have a new roller coaster called the Raptor, and the other one was the Joker 360, which is that spinning one back there that's kind of going up and down. And we watched that at the LA County Fair. That was new this year. I always have to come down. I'm joined by Janice Yamanaka. Make sure you follow her channel. I have a question for you. How do you get to be the judge of the llama walking contest? I don't know. We'll have to find that out before we leave today. If anyone has seen any of my county fair videos, you know that I have a very irrational fear of goats. If you're looking to do a little boot scoot and boogie, you can go to the, what is it called? The Western Saloon and Whiskey Bar. And Janice has mic'd me up for her camera, which means I have to watch what I'm saying, because about 90% of what I say can't be used on film, so. But this looks cool. Some like shaded tables, variety of drinks. And this weekend, which is opening weekend in the Action Sports Arena, there is the Brouhaha, which is a beer festival, but there will be like a demolition derby in there, I think, on future weekends, and a variety of entertainment. So check that out. You learn something new every day. California ranks #2 in poultry production. Did you know that? I did not know that. I didn't know California was a poultry state, but you know. Here you go. I know these are llamas, but I actually got bit by an emu once. Yeah. He's like, I am not an emu. Janice said it's kind of like, oh my gosh, look at this one. Kind of like pageant moms. Oh, here we go. Look at this one. Hang on. Let me turn around. Janice has got the 360. I physically have to spin. Where is it? There it is. Janice, next time you go get a haircut, I want you to ask for that. I'll send you the picture. You can use it as an example. Also, we were saying they're kind of like pageant moms, but with llamas. I know with the writers and the actors on strike, maybe that's a new show for Bravo. Llama Moms? Llama Moms. Llama Moms. Hey. Llama Mamas. I'm going to send that to Andy Cohen. Maybe that's the new Bravo show. So we got our tickets for going. I think it's on the Grand Wheel. It is, where's Janice? It is 9 tickets, so 18 tickets for the two of us. So we needed $25 for the tickets. So the last tickets were $15. So $40 for 2 people on 2 rides.
Scream if you want to go faster! Yeah!
This is La Grande XL. So Janice is filming, and I did not stop talking on the last ride, so. Goes up to 130 feet. Last year's fair, we were here with Janice, the Crash Zero, Catherine, and Quentin from Wicked Journey. We all went on this crazy log ride and had so much fun. We'll skip it today, but it was really fun. What's it called? The Wild River. It's kind of, you know, if you can't do Splash Mountain anymore, this is the next best thing. Two of the new rides this year. This is one, the Joker 360. This is wild. That actually holds you upside down at the top as it swings for like several seconds. It's really freaky. So Moonraker here was at the Ventura County Fair, but was not at the LA County Fair last year or this year that I know of. I don't remember seeing it, but wait till you see what this does. Yeah, no. Maybe we'll get Janice to go on it, I think. Janice will do it. She'll tell us how it is. This is the other new ride this year, the Raptor Coaster, and look at the sea. It actually looks really cool. With Arturo the Churro, OC Fair. Thank you. If I eat just one thing here at the fair today, it has to be these cheese curds from Tasty Chips, and I'm addicted to. Same ones from the LA County Fair, but I bet you they taste better in OC. Also from Tasty Chips, Janice got this concoction. It is called, I think it was Papas Locas or something?
Yeah, I think so.
Papas Locas are like a nacho, let's see, Tasty Papas Locas. Chili lime chips, nacho cheese, crunchy jicama, fresh cucumber, flamin' hot Cheeto dust, tapatio, chamoy, cool crema, cilantro, and lime wedge. All that's on there? Wow.
Yeah, supposedly.
Janice swears by this freeze-dried candy. Oh, look at that. That's a great angle. Here we go. Hi. Which one did you say was good? The spicy one?
Spicy one was okay.
This is not. There we go. This is.
The nerds, gummy nerds one was
I'll have
pretty
to
good.
try them. They look good.
Yeah,
all right. Look at this deep-fried cheesy bacon bombs. It's like cheese wrapped in bacon. And the candied pork belly, and then look at a half-pound sausage with bacon. I just want it because it's called a bacon bomb. I just noticed the bacon booth is across from the. We had these last year at the LA County Fair. The bacon wrap pickles. It's like sodium overload. Inside of Heroes Hall is an exhibit called Armed Only with a Camera, World War II Photography. The location of the fairgrounds was the Santa Ana Army Air Base, which housed 26,000 servicemen. So you can see on the map where we are here in the fairgrounds, and the entirety of it was huge. make sure you check out the Centennial Farm area. These are Brussels sprouts. Look at that. I never knew they grew like that.
That one's better than the back.
Oh, wow. Look at the Swiss chard. That is a beautiful plant there.
Get set and go! They're off like a Number 3 is going to be our yeah. Always surprised. And we are off. There we go. And they're off.
Look at these old-fashioned sweet bars. There seems to be a banana theme that I'm going for today. Vanilla bar with chocolate top graham crackers, banana, and whipped cream. Ooh. From the backyard barbecue across from the Action Sports Arena, they have, it's kind of hard to see, but they have Beauty of Fries. Of course, as the funnel cake vlog, we have to cover the funnel cakes. So much to see and do here at the fair. You can't just do it in one day, so make multiple visits. Make sure you check out all the exhibits, check out all the shopping opportunities, try all the food, see the live entertainment, and try some of those crazy rides too. That was the actual speed of that we just showed you too. It's not sped up for the video. It's insane. I had a very bad experience on one of these at a little theme park on Long Island as a kid. Nope. That is it here from opening weekend of the OC Fair. It runs through August 13th, Wednesdays through Sundays at the OC Fairgrounds and Event Center. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. And follow us on social media for additional content. And check us out on Shorts and now Threads as well. Definitely cannot wait to come back. Thanks again for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. We'll try to answer them for you. Bye.